Watch this video to the end if you understand what the Pareto principle is and how it can be impactful to your team. The Pareto principle, which is also known as the 80-20 rule, basically states that 20% of your efforts will account for 80% of your output. So you're saying that 20% of the work will give me 80%. Well, how do I get to that last 20%? Well, that's where it gets a little weird. To get that last 20% is actually 80% of the effort. What that means is not that you ignore that last 20%, is that you schedule it out and focus where you can get the quick wins with the most impact. As an example, let's say you sell something and you're getting a lot of returns and you find out 80% of your returns are damaged goods. If you focused your effort on understanding why it's damaged, is it your packaging, is it your shipping process, is it the product itself, then you can look at it, fix that problem. Now with 20% effort focusing on fixing your process at the shipping point, you've now saved 80% of your returns. You have 80% less returns coming in. That's a massive win for a company. The key of the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule is to make sure you're focusing on the right things. Don't ignore the last 20% because the devil's in the detail.